Hey guys, welcome to Felicitysolar's warehouse here in Greenacre, New South Wales. As you can see, come have a look. There is stock supply for all your needs. There is no shortage, yeah? You can get what you need when you want it, delivered on time to make sure all your customers are happy and satisfied. If you need anything at all, or you want more technical information, reach out to us here at Felicity Solar in Sydney. We're here to introduce our T-Rex 10 kilowatt hybrid inverter. This inverter is actually battery capable to plug and play, or you can just install the solar on it, add a battery on later down the track if you choose. It comes with a 10-year warranty. It has passed all of the Australian standards. You can place it indoors, outdoors, wherever it is you like. Give us a call today or reach out and get in touch with us. Warehouse over in Greenacre. We're here to introduce you to the new IVGM 50 kilowatt hybrid inverter. These inverters can be paralleled together up to 12 units to reach 600 kilowatts worth of inverter capacity. This solution is suited for your small to medium commercial premises, factories, schools, warehouses, anything medium scale, small to medium scale. It'll work perfectly and it'll crush their power bills. Our Lux Series lithium battery ensures guaranteed safety with an inbuilt aerosol fire extinguishing system, giving you the peace of mind. We are at Felicity Solar's warehouse and showroom here in New South Wales, Greenacre to be exact. This is where you can come, see the products, talk to local technicians, and also get all your training on your installations as well. If you need anything, reach out, give us a call, see how we can help you expand your business. Cheers guys.